Srila Prabhupada said organization and intelligence. The two things we need. What is organization? You know you are going to be hungry. So we shouldn't be surprised that I'm hungry. We shouldn't. Because this body will function like that. So once we have the material body, we should know we need to take care of it. The body will be hungry, so you need food. The body will be sick, so you need some medication. The body will be tired, you need a place to rest. So house is necessary, work is necessary, money is necessary. And Bhakti Dhira Damodara said, we should have money. Because if you don't have money, you will become money conscious. And that will affect our practice. So you should have money. To have money, you have to work. So organization means that we have to plan that. To plan. So when you look at the Prabhupada's purport, chapter 9, text 27, chapter 18, text 65, purport, Prabhupada said, we should mold our lives in such a way that we remain Krishna conscious 24 hours. This is organization. And intelligence comes in how we will arrange that. So I'm going to go to work. I have a wife, I have children, I have a house. Then I have my sadhana to practice. So intelligence will come inside to arrange what time do I go to work. And before going to work, what do I need to do? I have to chant my 16 round because in the office you'll not be able to chant. And even if you have time to chant, a lot of distractions will be there. So intelligence will come in to plan. I should practice my japa and I should do my deity worship at home before going to the office. And it is very, very necessary because that is our vaccination to take us for the whole day. We need to do our job. And we need to take care of our deities in the house. Because household is not complete without having deities to worship in the house. And we maintain a simple standard which you will be able to keep. Maintain a simple standard. Don't start too high with the 16 items 1 week, then the next week you back to 2 items, and the third week there is nothing to offer. Just maintain a simple system that you'll be able to maintain that easily and continue with your job or whatever services we do for the day. So we should be able to do this. We should know what is the problem, and then we can arrange ourselves. We should wake up this time, and for us to be able to wake up this time, we should be able to sleep by this time. We don't plan our lives, Maya will plan it for us. So we will have a television to watch till 12 midnight, and then we'll go to bed and wake up by 4 o'clock, by 5 o'clock, by 6 o'clock. The deity worship will be affected. The preparing children to go to school will be affected. Our japa will be affected. Our spiritual life will be a problem. It shouldn't be. We should plan it. And we shouldn't minimize any of them. If you minimize our work, we'll have difficulty taking care. If you minimize our spiritual life, we'll have difficulty making advancement. And we'll fall back. Taking to Krishna consciousness is a wonderful opportunity Krishna and Prabhupada has given to us. So coming here is not a mistake. Either anyway, any system, whatever system that brought us into Krishna consciousness is wonderful. Because it is Krishna's arrangement. It is Srila Prabhupada's causeless mercy that has brought us in. So we should be able to consider this very carefully and live our life in such a way that we'll be able to take our spiritual life and take care of our social life so that we can have a peaceful practice. When we do that, it is not only beneficial for us, it will affect other friends. If you don't practice our Krishna consciousness very nicely, our friends who are looking at us will not be encouraged to participate, to become a member. because they don't see the result of what you are practicing. So they will not have any need to ask you, my friend, I would like to follow what you are practicing because I can see something wonderful in you than me. They won't be able to see that. So no, they will not practice. Our children also will not practice because they don't see what you are practicing to be working in you. This is one of the reasons why our children are not following this process. See, Christians' children are Christians. Muslim children are Muslims. ISKCON's devotees are not devotees. Not all are devotees. 80% are not devotees, if it's not more. 80%. See, it's one of the reasons, one of the ways Maya is attacking this movement. And it is attacking the movement through our weakness. What is our weakness? Our weakness is that our sadhana is not strong. Either we are minimizing our sadhana for our job, or we are minimizing our job for our sadhana. This should be balanced. Isupana had said that we should balance our lives so that our spiritual life will go smoothly. And that becomes a powerful preaching. And people will see us and they will appreciate. Without their preaching to them, our character will be our preaching, and people will be able to follow that. That requires organization and intelligence.